Bishop Kiengei has apologized after viral clip of his remarks in a night show on Saturday, commenting on musician Stivo Simple Boy ex-wife Pritty Vishy after being attacked left, right and center. The bishop, who in the past 1 week has been under pressure from his enemies who are determined to floor him, has written this on his Facebook page. Pritty Vishy: I'm really sorry, and I take this moment to highly apologize for mentioning your name in a show where I went overboard and mentioned you in a wrong way. Get a space in your heart to forgive me for addressing you in a wrong way. This will never happen in future. I take it as my mistake. Pole my sister, and karibu sana JCM Church, kanisa la watu wote. This is also what he has learned of the stories of his marriage, church and behavior going on social media, trending for the second week now. When you see battles in your life, know that it's your time of elevation. That time when attacks come from your close friends and not from strangers. Know well that they are being used because they know where the past dustbin is. Remember, you are not in the past, and that is why they can't handle the new you, the promoted you, the anointed you, or the successful you. And if they are, the problem is accepting that you broke the protocols to become. When people can't access your information easily, they will provoke you to get the information, and when the provoking hits a hard rock, they will attack your character to display an arrogant you, proud or stingy, and because it is coming from close friends, it looks or sounds believable. Friends are the new tools of destruction and the gate pass to your troubles. Strangers do not fight what they don't know until an open link is provided. When the source of your trouble is your family members, colleagues, people you have been with in the same industry, ministry, gospel minister, or someone you have shared food or drinks together, know that your impact is being felt well. Charge yourself up and do more of that is making you to shine. After gathering so much in these fields, let me encourage someone who is facing a likely scenario. Number 1, battles produces champions. Number 2, no matter the character destruction, the loyal ones will stay. Number 3, majority are defending you silently. Number 4, God is not human. Number 5, where a champion is, opposition must rise to make them shine. They can block today's glory, but not tomorrow's opportunity. Number 6. Number 7. You are not what is placed in the display. Number 8. Lies moves fast, but they can't reach before the truth. Number 9. Satan is in his harvesting season. Don't be forced into his fields. Number 10 and the last one. They are not failing because you are becoming successful. The idea is for you to stop doing which is making them uncomfortable. Remember that the kingdom of God suffereth violence. Become a violent you to be in the kingdom. Don't step out. And if they doubt where you can go, go very far that you can't hear them anymore. Own up the accusation and use them to become a better you. Respect an honest person and don't care how bad the truth hurts you. Keep it real with yourself. Be bold and go beyond your limits. Signed, Bishop Benson Kamau, General Overseer JCM Church International. As his fan, will you forgive him or not? Drop us a comment and we'll sample them.
Praise the name of the Lord. On your Facebook, when the model Morona, no near the new Aquanejo with you. They can ignore your dream, but they cannot ignore where the dream is taking you. Makera Joseph Watere, Atetuama Woda, Itea Siakusia Gano, Sito Siakusia in a Sito. Ogo Ore Syria, what you got to come on the Maki, Otoabage, like a Gueren. People hate what you will become. They don't hate you. I don't you a Madoire Keriora Tueka. Praise the name of the Lord. Ugeda go tueka murata wado tueka useless na wage impact. Ogo tueka murata wa omuno. Todo ado medaga mundu tarathie kodo negera mamuhuthere uru. Ureciria we ri, ureciria urenda utonge. atakumwathie nao ohetwo lift ri urenda magiragirwo no jacket thinacara ya kinya urenda utonge niki mami wanyu akwende urenda utonge niki andu maremo gukuhuthira uru andu mendaga mundu useless nigetha mamuhuthire uru andu matingienda uthie wega andu ingi mendaga utuike kindu gitari kiene nigetha mone kindu gia guthekerera ihinda ta riu thiini wa muturira waku ritigakinya thiini wa ritwa ria Jesu ihinda ta riu ritigakinya muturira-ini waku Jehova ni arakwambararia Jehova ni aragwika wega Jehova ni arakuririkana kiria utegwika ndukarekie kioneki. Don't abandon your dreams. Ndukarekererie iroto ciaku, usiachilie. Kile ambacho unasikia ndani yako hicho ndicho kitafanyika. Watoto wako wasiachilie maono. Dumete family-ini ndogu, no family ndogu no yume thiini waku. Dumete andu-ini meigweta, no mundu igweta no atuike we. Don't abandon your dreams. Praise the name of the Lord. Urezia kanitha toyo no wendo. Kanitha umete okuga kinyoko umrezia no wendo. Murezia bishop toyo no wendo. Mundu toneka atangihota murezia no wendo. Murenda age bara niki. Kiria gweka ona deirima no ngunyitirira kioneki giakwa. Ona thoirwo no ngunyitirira kioneki. Ona andu makiuga ndibati na ndiagereire. I will never abandon my dreams. Usiachirie maono. Korwo wiguaga thiini waku wi mutongu madukarekie. Ndukarekie muthenya umwe wa mithenya kuri kiundu gikahanika. Praise the name of the Lord. Agikoni roga ciana ciaku kona kamwe kahana mutongoria ndukanagaruruke. Ona kangigatanuka ta mundu utari na mutwe mwega. Wethi na mbere na kuona ka mutongoria karari uru. Ndukana cenjia twirage mwana. Ona tondu juga ni ugatuika president no watanuka wana. President matiriaga uguo. Kahe ihinda no thina mbere na kunyitirira uguo urona. Korwo ni wonaga meciria-ini maku kiambata nyumba ya ngoroba reke ngwire ndukana cenjie kioneki ona kungi kaigua kwerwo atia ona distractors magikaria atia ndukana rekererie kioneki. Praise the name of the
Sawa.